Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to turn off seatbelt alarm in 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So there is a post on here on how to do this, but I wasn't really clear to me that I could get their method. So a person on the forum just commented this, and so I found another video that details and method that I thought I'd share a quick rundown of what worked for me. So basically you're going to be sitting in the car with everything off and then buckle the seat belt. Then what you are going to be doing is that simply you have to run position, and then you are going to be waiting for the console. So you're going to be wait to display the console seatbelt icon. So basically you are going to be having a console as it shows the seatbelt option, that whether it is you're simply wearing it or not. So make sure to check that and then unbuckle. So this step is really crucial. So you're going to be simply unbuckling and buckling 3 times with a moderate speed. Do not do it really quickly or stuff like that, and then ending with it buckled again, and press on ignition until you get it off. And do not start the car at any time. You should hear a chime at the end, acknowledge that it worked. So yeah, that is the pretty simple process, and make sure to try for yourself. And yeah, thank you so much.